Here I have Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to settings and enable scan QR codes feature if you have it disabled. And now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as my camera spots this QR code, it shows me the page which has been encoded, and I can show options like copy link or just open it in browser immediately. And yeah, that's how you can easily scan QR codes and see what's been in them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.